are going to learn script letter I. Which letter? Script letter I. So the sound of letter I is E. Now let's learn letter I in the textbook. Children, this is your textbook ABC Fun B. In that book, open page number 18. Which number? 18. And you can see script letter I here. Now let's learn the pictures. So these are the pictures which starts from letter I. Let's read one by one. I for iron, I for ice, I for iguana, I for insects, I for ice skates. And on this page, I for inkpot, I for injection, I for island, I for ice candy, and the last one, I for igloo. Children, just now we saw the pictures which starts from letter I. Now let's learn how to write script letter I. Children, as you all know, we write capital letter I on 3 lines. First red line, first blue line and second blue line. But script letter I we will write in between these 2 lines. First blue line and second blue line. And it's very easy. From first blue line we will make a standing line till second blue line like this. And here on the top a small dot. Now let's write again. From first blue line we will draw a standing line till second blue line like this, and on the top a small dot. Script letter I. Let's practice this one more time. Standing line from first blue line to second blue line, and on the top a small dot. So children, this way you all have to write script letter I. Now let's draw 2 pictures related to letter I. So we will draw an iron. To draw an iron, we will make 2 slipping lines. One here and second one is at little bit down. Okay, like this. Join it with a standing line on both the sides. Make a slanting line. From here, make a sleeping line and join it with a standing line and touch it here. In the center, make a circle. And in between, small 2 standing lines and 2 sleeping lines. And on the top, a small rectangle like this. Here, another small rectangle like this. And a curved wire of our iron and a plug. For that, make a U curve. Join it with a sleeping line and 2 small pins. So this is our iron. Now we will draw an ice. To draw an ice cube, we have to make a square. You all know how to make a square, right? So let's draw a standing line, one more standing line. We will join these standing lines with sleeping lines. One here and one here. So this is our ice, and this is our ice got melt. So this is ice cube. So children, you all saw how to write script letter I and how to draw 2 pictures. Now let's do an activity in textbook. So children, in your textbook on page number 1919, script letter I is given. I have already taught you how to write script letter I. But here you have to first trace it. I'll show you one more time. From first blue line to second blue line, make a standing line like this, and on the top a small dot. One more time we will trace, children. From first line to second blue line, a standing line and a dot. Like this, you have to write 4 times, but with very nice handwriting. And in this rectangle box, you have to draw any one picture related to letter I. And here's an activity. Let's read. Join the dots to complete the picture and write its correct script letter in circle. So let's do it. See how you all have to join. You have to join these dots. Okay, like this. See, I am doing one for you. Very neatly on the dots only you all have to do. Okay. Like this. A line is given, so you don't need to trace on it. Like this. Yes. Now here again we will join these dots. Like this. And what is this picture? It's an ink pot. So in the circle we will write script letter I, like this. Children, today we have learned script letter I. Which letter? Script letter I. So you all have to write it in your notebook and in your textbook, but with nice handwriting. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.